In today's video, I'm going to talk about what could be one of the most important pieces in your painting toolkit that will save you a lot of time, hassle, and money. Welcome back to The Paint People, where we normally pump out videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, if you haven't noticed. But on this Tuesday, we decided to give the people a special bonus video. Hit that like button if you like bonuses. Normally, our videos tend to focus on the design side of painting and decorating, but part of painting and decorating, quite literally half, is the painting aspect. And that leads me to this guy right here. This is the tip saver, and it's honestly one of the most useful little gadgets in the painting industry that I've come across in a while. I know a lot of you watching happen to be painters, and if you haven't heard of this yet, I'm really excited to be able to tell you about it. Let's head over to the paint store so I can show you the packaging, assemble it, and show you what it's like in action.
So here we have the tip saver package itself. And what I love about it, first of all, is its simplicity. Right on the packaging, you see what you're getting with the product. This is the tip saver itself, sitting in an empty gallon of paint, keeping all your tips and guards nicely organized and clean as well. On the other side, we can see what it does. Organizes your tips, housings, and filters in 1 gallon paint can made with chemical resistant plastic, so you can store this in solvent for long periods of time. And another important thing we have to consider is your hands aren't going to be exposed to those harmful chemicals as much. That's because your tips are staying clean in the can with the tip saver. You don't have to manually clean them yourself with your little paws. So when we open up the package here, we can see that not a ton of components, which is really great. It's super easy to put together. You got some stickers, which I love. We have the A component here, which is the top portion, and the B component, which is the bottom. So you know it's right set up if you can actually read tip saver on the white itself. And what's great about these markings is they correspond to the center column, which comes in these 2 pieces here. And what you can do is you can look at them and see the markings on the side here. I'm not sure if it's picking up on the camera, but right here it says A, right here it says B. The same thing on the other side, so you know which way to put them together. You have these 2 sets of little indents here and little nubs that just fit together really nicely. You just put them together like that, and now you know which way is which. B side goes on the B side, A side goes on the A side. And the last thing to do is just grab the handle, slip it into these little sections here, and there's your tip saver. Your tips are gonna be saved with this thing. It'll keep you nice and organized, but will also make sure your tips will last as long as they should.
Hey, if you're liking this video so far, then please do me a favor and hit that like button for me. Really appreciate it. Now, let's go talk to our resident spray expert, Dazzling Dave, to get his thoughts on the tip saver.
This is a great invention. If you guys ever want to be organized, have your tips clean and ready to go at all times. Really easy, the guards and filters and tips. You could even utilize the bottom on that. It's easy like that, guys, and you just drop it into your solvent and it's ready to go whenever you're ready. Matter of fact, I've had this guy for over a year now and still golden.
I just love this product. It's clean and simple in its design, and it simultaneously solves multiple issues that a lot of us professional painters experience, especially with sprayers. It keeps your tips, your housings, even your filters organized within a single gallon of paint, so you're not losing them because you're misplacing them somewhere. But not only that, it also keeps them clean as well for extended periods of time, which means you're going to maximize the lifespan of all those components. Normally, a good spray tip should last you about 50 gallons worth of paint in terms of usage. I know some painters that have to replace their tips after 10 gallons because they can't be bothered to take those proper steps to keep them clean. No judgment, you know, not everyone has the time, I guess, but Tip Saver just makes it simple. We at The Paint People want to cover all aspects of painting and decorating. So in addition to the Monday, Wednesday, Friday videos we've been releasing already, don't be surprised to see more videos like this on the other days of the week as some bonus content for our painters watching as well. I'll also leave some more information down below on the Tip Saver if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next one.